Spirit Week had arrived at Riverdale High. And for the first time in years, the students actually had something to celebrate. The long-suffering Bulldogs, in large part thanks to breakout star Munroe Moore, were finally going to the state finals, where they would take on the undisputed titans of the gridiron, the Stonewall Stallions. For Principal Hunt...
Okay, so, last game of the season. How do you feel, Arch?
Honestly, like we're gonna win.
Munroe, what about you?
I'm just happy to be playing for the championship.
He's being humble, Betty. A recruiter from Notre Dame is coming just to see him.
Reggie, care to comment?
You want a quote, Bets?
Sure.
I'll give you a quote. Stonewall sucks. The only reason why they're undefeated is because they play dirty.
Dirty.
Every team that's gone up against them this year has suffered some horrible injury.
What do you mean?
I mean, they don't play to win. They play to hurt. But they haven't gone up against our guy, Munroe.
I'm headed home. Later, guys.
See you, dude.
Oh, hell no.
Munroe, what the hell happened?
Some guys jumped me. One of them swung a golf club at my knee.
Yeah, I'm gonna call an ambulance. Did you see their faces?
Oh, man, they were wearing masks.
We don't need to have seen their faces. We know exactly who they are.
Dude, Munroe, what are you doing here?
I'm not gonna fight you, Red. I'm not sitting this one out. I can't.
Wait, why aren't you limping? Did my uncle give you those pills?
He did, but this is it for me. A scholarship to Notre Dame. That'll change my life, my family's life. And if I go pro, they're set.
Yeah, and if you get hurt, maybe you don't ever play again.
Damn it, Red. This is my choice to make, not yours. Woo! Archie? Mr. Andrews, I just got cornered by the recruiter from Notre Dame. He said he wants me to come visit him in Indiana next week. He says he wants me to play ball for him.
That's great news, son. Congrats.
No one deserves it more, Munroe.
Guys, I'm going to Notre Dame!